open your Figma file, then install the Marketing Junior Figma plugin. This plugin can be found in Figma community, or a link will be in the description. With this plugin, you can export any frame from Figma as HTML email template. You can build from ready-made blocks or completely from scratch. So select a frame, click on the preview, click on export button, select Postmark export option. Here you can use Postmark API key, or you can simply copy paste email template from Figma to Postmark. So let's copy HTML. Then go to Postmark, go to my server, then templates, then click on add template, code your own, don't use layout, and here you can simply in edit tab paste your template for Figma, and here is your template. Everything works well. You can use any Postmark variables here in your templates, and this is how it works. Thank you for watching.